me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Dancing where the stars go blue, dancing where the evening fell, dancing in my wooden shoes in a wedding gown,
dancing out on 7th Street, dancing through the underground, dancing little marionette. Are you happy now? Yeah. Where do you go when you're lonely?
where do you go when you're blue?
Where do you go when you're lonely? I follow you when the stars go blue. When the stars go blue.